Before we get into this video, guys, I got something to tell you, okay? I am gonna be doing yet another Rate My Subscribers Beats video coming very soon. All you gotta do to enter is just follow instructions in the description and you will be entered. All you gotta do, it's really simple. You just gotta sign up on Viber.net, join the Dogs Gang community, and post your beats in there, and it'll be lit. All right, so go ahead, follow the links in the description. All the instructions are down there. And yeah, let's get on this video. What is going on, Docs Gang? We are back for another video. And today we're gonna be doing a Lil Uzi type beat, but of course we gotta add a spin to it. So got some Zelda samples loaded up, downloaded them from YouTube. I have tons to go through, so it should be I liked a lot of them, and really I know this is gonna be hard for me to choose from, but yeah. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share this with your friends. I'm gonna need y'all to share this. All right, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's get on with the video. I think we got ourselves a nice loop. Let's continue. I'm really liking this. All right. Let's drag this onto the playlist. See what we can do with this. All right. I'm gonna stretch. Let's make it smaller. See what happens when I make it smaller. Oops. We already know what's gonna happen, all right? It's too fast, so I already know what I'm gonna do. Now for the gross beat, of course. Okay, that's not what I want. Let's pitch this. NANI? Didn't I tell you I found a sample? What did I tell you? Let's do this. I think we might need to whip out Electra X. I think we might need to, but you know what? Let's just continue. I'm just gonna keep molding the sample and making sure that it's exquisite. Okay. All right. Let's continue. Let's add some reverb on that because reverb makes everything sound nice. Oh, let's EQ that too. Perfect. All right, this is good. This is very nice. Okay, I'm gonna add a counter melody. Somebody's really telling me to add a flute. This is a Zelda beat, so I really think I should add it. We're just gonna throw it in there. You know, let's just throw the flute in there. Just, you know, put the container there. But I also need to open up Electra too. I have to. So I actually want to go into Electra first, and yeah, I'm probably just gonna go to Electra first. But yeah, this is turning out very nicely. So, well, I mean, we didn't even do anything yet, and I'm already saying that, but yeah. All right, let's continue. Since my camera almost died, and that really would have pissed me off. All right, so all I did really, in the meantime, was just create this sampler channel and lay down all the notes that were in the sample just so that I could make a nice counter melody. So let's do that, because I'm using Electra X right now. So let's try and find a nice one. All right. Alright, let's put this on the thing so they can actually play. That's kind of annoying. Not exactly the sound I want, but this is, yes, very nice. What about that counter melody though? Do y'all, are you hearing this? I'm ready to go. Let's go. Maybe not exactly this sound. It sounded decent, but I kind of want to, you know, look for more. But this, we're off to a good start. All right. Let's add some gross beats, see what this does. I don't think it's gonna do anything nice, but we'll see. What the hell is that?
2,000 years later.
I think we got some, guys. I think our beat is sounding pretty nice so far. Okay. Yeah, you heard it. I mean, I don't know. What can I say? You know. Yeah, nah. All right, so let's. I'm gonna go to the drums now because I've been taking way too long with this kind of melody. I'm still gonna think about adding the flute, but maybe later. I just need to hear the drums first. Then I'll debate on whether I want to add a flute. But yeah, let's go to this Pierre kit. All right, and let's do it. Oops, let's stretch these out. Ooh, do you want to add that? Do you want to make it that fire? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Of course we do. Of course we do. Guys, we gotta add an open hat. I think we do have to add an open hat. I'm feeling an open hat. Let's try it. I'm gonna try it out. Open hat's what I say. It was fire. Now, the kicks. The moment of truth. Well, yeah.
What?
Okay, let's go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'm just gonna, I'm just make it simple. All right. Now, I need to finally put on the 808s because everything else is in place. So, yeah, let's just find that 808. Probably needs the Pierre one. Alright guys, this 808 pattern sounded pretty nice, but I can't hear the 808 at all, which is a big problem, so we need to fix that. So I'm just gonna mix it. I'm just gonna mix everything now, pretty much. I guess we're almost done with the beat, because this is sounding very nice. Still don't know if I want to add that flute. I might still add it, I don't know, we'll see. I haven't made one of these in a while, yo. I haven't made one of these ones in a while, you know what I mean? This right here, you know what I mean? Guys, this is fantastic. I do need to work on the mixing a little bit because I don't know, it's kind of clipping. I don't know why. I'm gonna just, one moment please.
12 seconds later.
Well, there's the beat. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you liked the video, hope you learned something. Wow, I'm really a fan of that. I might even actually finish that beat. I don't know, because I never finish my beats. I don't know why, but yeah, it's just lit. I'm really excited about that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, don't forget to comment. All these I should do in the future in the comment section below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. And oh yeah, don't forget, if you want to enter into the next Rate My Subscribers Beats video, just follow the instructions in the description. And yeah, Should be lit, should be pretty damn lit. I'm gonna see you on the next one, and peace.